In today's video, I'll show you how to add emojis in Miro to make your boards more expressive and fun. Emojis are a great way to bring energy, emotion, and clarity to your ideas. Perfect for team collaboration or creative brainstorming. Let's get started. Once your Miro board is open, look to the left-hand toolbar. Click the small circle icon with a plus sign. That's your Media and Integrations menu. This area holds extra creative tools that go beyond your basic setup. From the menu, select Stickers and Emojis. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen, showing different categories. Click on the Emoji tab at the top to open Miro's full emoji library. You can scroll to explore or use the search bar to find exactly what you need. When you find the perfect emoji, simply click and drag it onto your board. You'll see it appear instantly. From there, you can resize or move it anywhere you like. Want more emojis? Just repeat the process. Drag and drop as many as you want to bring your board to life. And that's it. You've just learned how to add emojis to your Miro board. Whether you're highlighting key ideas, adding reactions, or simply making things more visually appealing, emojis are a fun and effective way to communicate. Try combining them with stickers or GIFs to make your board even more engaging. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Miro guides.